This stock is up 30% pre-market. Oh my gosh, guys, how would you have liked to make 40% in a single day on your investment? Jeez. All right, guys, welcome. Johnny here. Thanks for watching, taking some time out of your day to be here. Definitely smash that like button if you find value in this, and subscribe if you are the first, or if you're watching this for the first time. So, guys, no edits, keeping it raw here. Let's go. So, Dell went up 30 freaking percent, guys. Okay, 40% technically for the day. Now look at this swing here. And I don't know if you traded it today, but man, it was at a low of 116 and got high of a 131. That is amazing. That was a freaking 12 or 13% ticker right there. Now, just holding it alone, it's up about 7% for the day right there. Hope you guys got in on that. If you didn't, there is still a little bit of room for some growth on this chart. So let's go out a little bit to the 4 hour. As you can see, this thing just pumped up, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so February 21st to the to where it is now at 124 even. Jeez Louise. That's a 52% growth right there. Invest $1,000. $1,000, guys. Now that can be a lot to some and that might not be a lot to others. That's for you personally to decide, but $1,000 could have made you $500. You could have been like, oh, what? I'm at $1,500. Okay, so to some that may be a lot, to some it may not. But hey, $500 is $500, and I tell you what, that will buy a lot of gas, a lot of steak dinners, and a lot of whatever it is that you like. Right? It's $500. Shoot, come on now. So, is there room for growth? Yeah, there is actually. I believe they did report that it can go up as high as 135, 130, 135, something like that. I think that is the new analysis. 140, okay? 140 is the high analyst price target. Now, this is coming from 19 analysts saying that is a buy rating. Now, hey, I am not a financial advisor. Don't come and get me. But listen, okay, at the end of the day, I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. All I can do is showcase to you some of these setups, what I'm thinking in my head, and what I'm doing this year to beat the stock market, guys. I am up over 40% for the year on 3 different accounts, and it is only March 1st. Oh my gosh, guys. So check out some other videos. I got one showing how you can paper trade with some fake money, how to get started, and how you can make your first $250 on a single day with a couple of trades. Again, paper trading. And I also show you our public trading account that I'm doing just for you guys, showing how we go from $0 to $25,000 in a single year. So if you want to make $25,000 this year and change your life next year, and then you can do anything you want because now you got money that's making you money. What's 1% of $25,000? Okay, do you know the answer? That's $250. How would you like to make $250 when you wake up every morning, just simply because you have that much money playing for you in the stocks? And guys, that's just where it starts. 1% is nothing. There's people making 3, 5, 10%, 15, 20% a day. So 1% is super realistic nowadays. I myself aim for 1% a day or 2% a day. That'll give me between 5 and 10% a week, or 20 and 40% a month. Now, guys, oh, well, you'd be a millionaire. Well, technically, no. Because once you get to $1 million, I'm not going to be trading $1 million the same way I'd be trading a couple thousand. And my orders probably wouldn't get as filled as much if I need 100 shares of something compared to 100,000 shares of something. The filling would be different, right? So with that said, it's not about making $100,000. It's about living comfortably and realistically. And guys, 1% is easy. That's nothing. We just made 1% on the paper trading account. We made 2.3% right there. As you can see, one day, market value $11,000, buying power $13,000 on these 9 positions right here, $258 or the $267, however you want to look at it. It's 2.4% on the 10 grand or 1% on the 25 grand. However you look at it, guys, that's 1% in a single day. How would you like to make 250 bucks in a single day, right? That's the point here. That is the point of this entire thing. So with that said, thank you. Thank you for watching. It is possible. You have to join the channel, join and subscribe, so that way you can see exactly what I'm doing to grow these accounts. And at the same time, join our Discord and you can see exactly what I'm doing every day when I trade, such as watch lists and different stuff like that. But I will never sell you alerts. I'll never ask you to buy anything. I don't sell courses. All free information. So definitely smash the like button just for that alone. All right, so Dell up 140, still has a little bit of room to grow, but this is how we're finding these stocks. We're finding these stocks. They're really good stocks, and there's a ton more on my watch list. As you can see, I got the Qs. These are the companies I traded, and again, if you want to see more videos on these companies, how I traded them, my thought process, and also trading these exact same ones on the Robinhood app. I did just a video on that a while ago. Check that out, and I'll showcase how I'm growing my Robinhood account for you guys. You can start with $5, $10, $100, $1,000. The point is to get to this $25,000 mark, because then it makes life a lot easier. Wake up $100, $200, $300 and go about your day. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. And don't forget, every like counts and every like matters. So smash that like button. Let's see that there's value in this. If not, I'll go back to talking about boring old monthly paying stocks. Hey, I'll talk about them. I love monthly paying stocks. I own a lot of them in my main portfolio. Okay. This is just something that I'm transitioning into doing more of. Day trading. I would like to make 10% a week compared to 10% a year. And I want to showcase that to you and how you can also do that too. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate your time. And we'll see you in the next one.